Rhoda Gordon. I own Sunflower Photo Solutions and I'm a certified photo manager. I help my clients, both businesses and people, save their story by helping them pare down, organize, back up, and provide ways for them to share their memory collections, both digital and print. And in helping my clients, I realized that there was a gap in the market, a true hole where people need to organize their memory collections, but they don't know how and they don't have the tools, and it's frustrating and they don't know where to turn. And that is why I developed Dig Your Photos. It allows anyone to easily and successfully organize their photo collections a little bit at a time, one shoebox at a time, one bag at a time, one stack of albums at a time. Dig Your Photos can help you to relive your memories, save your story, and leave a legacy for generations to come.